Let's make Filipino pork barbecue. Cut 3 pounds of pork shoulder into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Then make the marinade. Add 5 cloves of minced garlic, half cup of calamansi juice, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of ginger ale or 7-Up, trust me on this, 2/3 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 cup ketchup or banana ketchup, which you can find at Asian markets. Whisk the marinade together and then divide it in half. Save 1/2 for later to baste the meat on the grill. Next, you're going to take that beautifully chopped bowl of pork shoulder and mix it in with the other half of the marinade. You're going to toss everything together to coat each piece nicely. Now you can cover and refrigerate the meat to marinate it for at least 3 hours or up to overnight. But if you've got a last minute barbecue and need that meat fast, you can use the Food Saver preserve and marinate containers. These work with any Food Saver food preservation system. This is an awesome system to save time and to save those last minute barbecues. Okay, once the meat is fully marinated, the Food Saver will stop. Then you can thread the meat onto either the bamboo skewers or stainless steel skewers like I have here, and I will link to those below. Fire up that grill and grill the skewers for 3 to 5 minutes on each side, basting the meat with the reserved half of the marinade that you did not use to marinate the beef. And now you've got the tastiest Filipino pork barbecue skewers. For a printable recipe plus cooking tips, visit urbanblisslife.com, where you'll find more recipes, wine pairings, and food and wine travel guides.